Tagong, tagong, balance, release the legs. Yeah, that's good, that's better, good. Yeah. 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 This needs to stay relaxed, yeah. Otherwise, if you turn this back and use this, see how the pressure hits here? Yeah, and that's one of the biggest blocks, because often when there's pressure coming in, we catch it here. That needs to be a trigger for us to release it through. Otherwise, you're only using the upper structure. Yeah? So Tai Gong and release. When you Tai Gong, you should feel this. Yeah, you should feel like this, like your butt cheeks go. Yeah? You don't have a sexy ghetto booty, right? You have it all relaxed, you have a flat bum. Like that. Yeah, then you can unify the whole structure, yeah? So now you're controlling, you're just putting pressure towards him, towards his spine, so you keep aiming in towards his spine and he's controlling the movement of the ball, yeah? So you're like, choo, choo, keep the connection to her, and it should be like you're driving her.
And I'm just putting pressure
to his spine, so you just keep pushing to his spine, yeah? Yeah. So don't counterbalance against him, balance in yourself. So if you look from the side, so push on me, push on me. Look, see how I'm counterbalancing against his pressure? Do you know what I mean? So I'm kind of using his pressure to keep balanced. Stay upright, yeah? So as he pressures in, I just roll the ball, roll the ball. As opposed to, yeah? And let's take more pressure, more pressure, more pressure. Now it's like we're just pushing against each other, yeah? Yeah, what will help maybe, just for this exercise for you, is if you just bring your feet together, yeah? That'll make you stay upright, just for this exercise, yeah? That'll help you to keep more balanced, yeah? Yeah, let's go. That's right. So bring your feet together, yeah? More, even closer, really close, yeah. Yeah, it forces you to stay upright, because you can't lean up against him, you know what I mean? Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Just start, yeah. Yeah, just move him how you want, yeah? You're controlling the ball. Yeah, good, good, good. Push more into his center, Carson. Push more in, yeah. Yeah, good, so you can feel it into his structure, yeah? And then you can use that incoming pressure to release the shoulders, good, yeah. Yeah, yeah, it doesn't take that much effort. Keep the shoulders releasing. Good, and keep moving, keep moving. Don't sit still, keep moving. Yeah. Aim at him, aim at him, aim at him. Good, and keep moving. Like, yeah. There you go. Yeah. Good, keep going, don't stop. Tagong, center, good. Yeah, good. Yep, keep going. Just drop the shoulders, aim into him, look into his, use your eyes as well, into his spine, good. Yeah. Looking into his, yeah, good. You're getting the idea, yeah, you're starting to get the feeling. So you want it to feel, there you go. Center yourself, look into me. Yeah, that's good. This is your structure, yeah? You want to put pressure on, just move now, just turn me, yeah, move. You're keeping the structure on whilst moving, yeah? Yeah, right idea, yeah? Stop leaning, upright spine. Yeah, better. Yeah. That's cool. Yeah. So you're starting to feel the structure, yeah? Feel and see, have the intention of it, and aim it. Good. Don't think, sink. Don't tense, sense. It's actually more descriptive, because when you say think and feel, you think more emotional. But you don't want to actually feel emotionally in combat, you know? You don't want to be like, I'm angry, or you want to have an intent. Give your partner a turn if you haven't. All right, hold it there. Bring it in, please.